KNOB Servo Lab. Now I'm gonna show you how this knob control servo. I connect the servo parallel with this LED. See, now I turn the knob one side, so that's extremely high. Now the other side extremely low. You see the LED become timer. Now I go again extremely high. Now extremely low. Extremely high and extremely low. The LED become timer. This okay, try again. Extremely high. Now LED become bright. Extremely low become timer. This circuit is working. Thank you for watching.